In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to turn a color image into black and white using just one simple tool. You have full control over brightness, contrast, and it only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Any photo will work. Portrait, landscape, or even product shots. Just drag it in Photoshop or use File Open. We're going to add a black and white adjustment layer. Instead of coming up here to Image, Adjustments, and Black and White, we're going to do it in a way that it's non-destructive. So come over to your Adjustments panel under Single Adjustments and click on Black and White. Now you've converted your photo to black and white. Photoshop applies a default grayscale conversion to your image. So in your Layers panel, you now have a black and white adjustment. It has a layer mask, and it also has a properties thumbnail. Once you click on that, you should see this panel, and right at the top you have presets. So you can go through these presets, see if you like any of the changes it makes. I'm going to put this back to default. You have an auto button right here. Click that. It sets a grayscale mix on the color values of your image. So sometimes this could be pretty good, some good results, and it's a good starting point. At any time, if you want to click on this icon right here, it'll reset any of your adjustments. Moving on to this tint, I click on the tint. It can give you a sepia tone. You can also click on the swatch. It brings up the color picker, and you can choose a different color that you may want to tint your black and white photo with. I'll reset this again. You have this hand tool right here. Click on that. And the way that works is if you drag the slider to the left, it'll darken gray tones, and drag it to the right and it will lighten gray tones. So I'm going to drag it to the left. You can see the tones are darkening. To the right, it's lightening. You can see that it's moving the red slider, and you can drag it on different parts of the image to get a different color. So you're adding into the magentas here. So that's the color slider to help you adjust the gray tones. And these are gray tones specific to the color in your image. And that's it, the easiest and fastest way to turn any color photo into black and white in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my Photoshop playlist for more quick tutorials. Remember, it's never too late to learn. Thanks for watching.